Good morning, class 11th. We are still continuing doing problems on compound and multiple angles as we were doing yesterday. The question is, if 10a plus b is equal to x and 10b is equal to half, he says prove 10a is equal to 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2. The first thing he says, 10a plus b is x. So 10a plus b is equal to x. Let's write down the formula for 10a plus b. 10a plus b is 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. So 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b is equal to x. We know what is the value of 10b given. 10b is given as half. The value of 10b is given half. So let us substitute the value of 10b as half in this. 10a plus 1 upon 2, 1 minus 10a into half, half 10a. Because the value of 10b is half, so half into 10a is equal to x. Let us cross multiply and simplify, because we want 10a in terms of x. We have to prove 10a is equal to 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2. So let us cross multiply. 10a plus 1 upon 2 will be x minus half x 10a. And since I have to calculate 10a, we have to calculate 10a. Let us bring 10a terms to one side and the constant other terms to the other side. So 10a plus half x 10a will be equal to x minus 1 upon 2. If I take LCM 2 here, if I take 2 as the LCM, it will become 210a plus x 10a upon 2. Let me take LCM 2 here, 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Now both sides, 2 will cancel denominator. Out of 210a and x 10a, let us take 10a common. Let's take 10a common. If I take 10a common, it will be left 2 plus x. If I take 10a common, it will be left 2 plus x, which is equal to 2x minus 1. So 10a will be equal to 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2. Whether you write 2 plus x or you write x plus 2, it is one and the same thing. So we have been able to prove 10a is equal to 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2. What we have done is that we have simply written the formula of 10a plus b. 10a plus b is 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b is equal to x. We cross multiplied and kept the value of 10b as half, which was given to you. 10b is given as half to you. So 10a plus half upon 1 minus half 10a is equal to x. We cross multiplied, took the LCM, took 10a common on the left, and 2 plus x was left there, and on the right side I have 2x minus 1. So the value of 10a will become 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2. That is the first thing we had to prove. This is the first result we had to prove. We had to prove 10a. He said prove that 10a is equal to 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2. So we've been able to prove that. Now let us see second part. He says obtain an expression for 10a minus b. Again, he is asking you to apply the formula for 10a minus b. What is the formula for 10a minus b? Is 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b. The more questions you will do, the more application of the formulas will be there. It will be easier for you to remember. So you need to do more questions. And that is why practice is important. Obtain an expression for 10a minus b in terms of x. In terms of x. I know the value of 10b. I know the value of 10a. So let us substitute the values of 10a as well as 10b. 10a is 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 minus half upon what is the here 1 plus 10a is how much? 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 into 1 upon 2. Now it is simple algebra to solve it. Let's take the LCM in numerator as well as denominator. Same LCM will come. 2 into x plus 2 will come here and 2 into x plus 2 will come here. It will become 2x minus 1 into 2 minus, it will become x plus 2. Similarly here what will it become? 2 into x plus 2 and plus 2x minus 1. This will cancel. Now it is only simple question of simplification. You open out the brackets, express the thing in terms of x. Like it will become 2 to the 4x minus 2 minus x minus 2 upon, it is what? 2x plus 4 plus 2x minus 1. So 4x minus x is 3x minus 4. 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 3. That is, you have expressed 10a minus b. You have expressed 10a minus b in terms of x. You wanted obtain an expression for 10a minus b in terms of x. So I have got an expression for this was for 10a minus b. 10a minus b is 3x minus 4 upon 4x plus 3. And what we have done is instead of 10a, I have substituted the value of 10a in terms of x, which we calculated just now. Then in place of 10b, I put half and 10a half and 10a as 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 and 10b as half. And then we simplified and we got it in terms of x. So we got the value of 10a minus b in terms of x. That was the second portion. Now he says if 10a minus b is 1 upon 3 and a is an acute angle, find without using table. He says if 10a is a minus b is 1 upon 3. It says 10a minus b is 1 upon 3. So 10a minus b is 1 upon 3. He has given you the third part of the question is he has given you 10a minus b as 1 upon 3 and he wants to find out the value of if a is an acute angle. If a is an acute angle, find the value of, so 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b will be equal to 1 upon 3. Will be equal to 1 upon 3. Now we know what is the value of 10b. 10b is half and I have to calculate 10a. So 10a minus half upon 1 plus half 10a. Because 10b I know is half. So in place of 10b I have put the value half and I want to calculate the value of a. So 1 upon 3. So 10a or 3 10a if I cross multiply minus 3 upon 2 will be equal to 1 plus half 10a. We cross multiply, 3 into 10a is 3 10a, 3 into half is 3 half, and then 1 plus half 10a will multiply with 1, you will get the same thing. Now 3 10a minus half 10a will be equal to 1 plus 3 upon 2. We brought a terms, 10a terms to one side and constant term to other side. 3 10a minus 10a, half 10a. So it will be 2 and a half 10a or 5 upon 2 10a. You subtract a calcium, 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 upon 2 10a. And it will also come 5 upon 2 when you add 2 on the 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So 10a will be 1. 10a is 1. And when is 10a 1? It is equal to 1045. 1045 is 1. So a is equal to 45 degree. He says a is an acute angle. We got the value of a as 45 degree. The question given to us is sine alpha plus beta is 4 upon 5. Sine alpha minus beta is 5 upon 13. Alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta are acute. Both are acute. Find 2 alpha. Now I told you in these kind of questions always make a right angle triangle. Suppose I take this as alpha plus beta, this angle, and because another value is alpha minus beta. In this it's a right angle triangle. Both are right angle triangle. In the first case it is given sine alpha plus beta is 4 upon 5. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This will come out to be 3 by applying Pythagoras theorem. 5 square minus 4 square, 25 minus 16, which will be 9. The square root of 9 is 3. Sine alpha minus beta was sine alpha minus beta is given as 5 upon 13. 5 upon 13. So this will come out to be 12. This will come out to be 12. 5 upon 13. And once you've got all these three sides of right angle triangles, then we can calculate any trigonometric ratios. Now let me calculate 10 alpha plus beta. 10 alpha plus beta will be perpendicular upon base, that is 4 upon 3, and 10 alpha minus beta will be 5 upon 12, perpendicular upon base, 5 upon 12. We have to calculate 10 to alpha. 10 to alpha will be actually 10 alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. In this what will happen is beta will cancel and you will get 10 to alpha. So 10 to alpha will be this will be 10a, this will be 10b. You can take this to be 10a, 10b. So what will we do? It will be 10 alpha plus beta plus 10 alpha minus beta upon 1 minus 10 alpha plus beta and 10 alpha minus beta. We have already calculated the value of 10 alpha plus beta and 10 alpha minus beta. Let us substitute those values. 10 alpha plus beta is 4 upon 3. 10 alpha plus minus beta is 5 upon 12 upon 1 minus 4 upon 3 into 5 upon 12. Let us take the LCM and simplify it. In both the cases LCM will be 36. Here LCM is 36, here LCM will be 36. 12 4s are 48, 5 3s are 15. 48 plus 15. And it will be 36 minus 20. 36 minus 20. It will be 63, 36 will cancel. 63 upon 16. That is your answer. This is 10 to alpha. This is 10 to alpha. This is 10 to alpha. Next question is, if sine theta plus alpha is equal to cos theta plus alpha, he says prove that tan theta will be equal to 1 minus tan alpha upon 1 plus tan alpha. Now he has given sine theta plus alpha is equal to cos theta plus alpha. I can write this as sin theta plus alpha upon cos theta plus alpha equal to 1. I have brought cos theta, I have divided both sides by cos theta plus alpha, so it will become like this and it will become 1. This is tan theta plus alpha. Tan theta plus alpha is equal to 1, which is tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45, the value of tan 45 is 1, and since tan theta plus alpha is 1, I can substitute 1 as tan 45, or theta plus alpha is equal to 45, or theta will be 45 minus alpha. 45 minus alpha, or again I'll say tan theta will be equal to tan 45 minus alpha. Tan 45 minus alpha means tan A minus B. Formula for tan A minus B is tan 45 minus tan alpha upon 1 plus tan 45 tan alpha. Tan 45 is 1, 1 minus tan alpha upon 1 plus tan alpha, because tan 45 is 1. So tan theta will be equal to 1 minus tan alpha upon 1 plus tan alpha, which is the value which we had to prove. So tan theta is equal to 1 minus tan alpha upon 1 plus tan alpha. Thank you.